Welcome guys back to my channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you again a really easy stitch. So the stitch has only knit and purl stitches. Something similar I was already using for this hat. This hat will be also published on my YouTube channel and my blog soon. The only thing 100% acrylic yarn will not work for this stitch, so here I am using merino wool yarn. For this stitch you need to cast on the number that is multiple of 12 plus 2 selvage stitches. For this short example I cast on 14 stitches, and row number 1 there will be in total 12 rows. Purl 1, slip the first stitch, purl 1, sorry, purl 1, knit 2, purl 6, knit 2, purl 1. After that start repeating again purl 1, knit 2, purl 6, knit 2, purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 2, knit all the knits and purl all the purls. So knit 1, purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, and knit 1. After that again repeat as many times as needed and finish with selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 3, slip the first stitch, purl 1, knit 10, purl 1, and again repeat purl 1, knit 10, purl 1, and finish with selvage stitch. So as many times as needed, repeat purl 1. So when you repeat there will be purl 2 staying together. Turn. Row number 4, knit all the knits and purl all the purls, slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 10, knit 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 5, slip the first stitch, knit 5, purl 2, knit 5, and purl the last selvage. When you repeat there will be knit 10. So knit 5 and knit 5 together there will be knit 10 here. Turn. Row number 6. Again, knit the knits and purl all the purls. Slip the first stitch, purl 5, knit 2, purl 5. And purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 7, slip the first stitch, purl 3, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 3, and purl the last selvage. Turn, row number 8, slip the first stitch, knit 3, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and knit 3. After that, again repeat as many times as needed and purl the last selvage. Turn, row number 9 will be the same as row number 5. Knit, slip the first stitch, knit 5, purl 2, knit 5, and repeat again, knit 5, purl 2, knit 5, purl the last selvage stitch, turn, and row number 10 will be the same as row number 6, purl 5, knit 2, purl 5, and repeat as many times as needed. Turn, row number 11 will be the same as row number 3, here. Slip the first stitch, purl 1, knit 10, purl 1, and repeat. And the last, row number 12 will be the same as row number 4. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 10, and knit 1. Purl the last selvage, and that's it. Now you start repeating everything from row number 1, where we did purl 1, knit 2, purl 6, knit 2, purl 1, and you will get this beautiful stitch. Again, this stitch will not work with 100% acrylic yarn. I tried it. It will work, but it will not be that stretchy, especially if you're going to use this stitch for the hat. So pay attention, use merino or 100% wool yarn. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.